A new body to promote the language and culture of the northeast of Scotland has been officially launched in Aberdeen. Its aim is to ensure Scots language, including the Doric, will become more visible in the media, education and in public life. Rachel Stewart is at the event.
Well, to use the Doric, I think everyone here is fair excited about the launch of this board to promote our local dialects. Of course, Doric in particular is prolific in the northeast. Iona Fyfe is singing a traditional song. Let's have a blether with Alistair Heather and Billy Kay. Alistair, first of all, we hear the Doric a lot. Why do we need to promote it?
Well, that's it. The northeast is real heartland for Scots. We measure 50% of folk speaking it every day. But all that 50%, only a quarter of them can read and write it competently. Now, to hae a place as educated as Scotland, the majority of folk illiterate in their mother tongue, is a terrible state of affairs, and that's what this board's going to combat.
Billy, how do we tackle it?
You give it status. That's the main thing. That there are spoken dialects that are powerful, but the written language is important. I mean, this is a centre of Scottish culture. John Barber wrote the Bruce here 650 years sign, but a lot of Wains are unaware of that literary heritage. So to give the Wains status for what they speak every day and make them realise it's just no a wee local dialect, but a Leid that was written by great makers, spoken by kings, and got across Europe with the Scots merchants for this area that went to Poland and Prussia and Lithuania in the 17th century. It gives you a totally different perspective on where you are and where you come from.
Very briefly, it could mean that we see signs in the local dialect here.
Not just signs, bairns will be getting taught it at every stage, and the university will soon have a Scots language course for undergraduates. We'll also have Scots more featured in tourism and local and international media.
Thank you very much. Well, the board is officially launched today. They hope to get cracking immediately.